Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a collab with Tina's Reborns and More, Dory's Dollies, and Trolls, Dolls, and More. And I will leave links in the description below. Really good channels. You should go by, take a look. I'm pretty sure you're going to want to subscribe to them. We all have the same pattern for our 18-inch dolls, and we all made this outfit for them. We use the same pattern, this Simplicity A1057, and this is what I made. Okay, so I made this little outfit, and the little jacket was not hard at all, but you had to pay attention to what you were doing. And of course I did a little different, and I'll show you that in a minute. But here's the little dress. I thought it turned out real cute. I used the Harry Potter fabric I just bought at Walmart. I thought it was cute together, the little two prints for Harry Potter. And then I did my jacket reversible so that it looks the same as this. Isn't my little Pleasant Company doll like a football player? I love the Pleasant Company dolls. They are stuffed. Anyway, I made this as the first choice with the little black collar. And here's my little football player in her little jacket turned the other way, which I think is cute, with the same pattern. Look at her back. She's so full. I love that. She's just, honestly, she's like a little football player.
You've been doing too much for Blythe.
Yeah. You know, when you sew for Blythe and you use such a small amount of fabric, and then you get the 18-inch doll patterns out, it's like they seem gigantic. And then when you dress them, you know, like I'm used to Blythe and that fit body, that fashion doll body, and then we have the football player. But she, of course, is younger, and every doll is different. I want to say a special thanks to Tina, Dory, and Gosha for joining in on this collab with me. I really had fun with it. I will tell you a little secret. I did a lot of last-minute sewing on this. I kind of put it off, but we've been so busy around here. I am so glad that we had a due date. Tina was saying it's like a school assignment. You have to have it done by a certain date and time, which really is true. And it pushes me a little further to actually do these projects. These collabs are absolutely fun. You get to know other YouTubers. You get to see their ideas and designs, etc. If you get the opportunity to do a collab with other dolly YouTubers or any YouTuber, do it. It's fun, a lot of fun. One of the fun things about doing these collabs is you don't know what the other people have done. So I know I'm going to, right now, go look at the other videos so I can see what they came up with this same pattern. I have their links in the description. You should go by to have a look at their outfits and their channel. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.